out the value of a secant angle. So here complement how much we will just subtract 98 from no 38 from 90, then we will get what value of a secant angle which is 2 and then 8 5 52. And here we can check is this answer correct or not. How? Just add this and this. This is the value of first angle and this is the value of second angle. How much? 30 and 50, 80, 10, 90. The sum of angles is how much? 90. Now second. 4 by 5. 4 by 5. This is what? Value of a angle. This is what? Value of a angle. And we don't have exact value of a angle, and it is given in statement. We can find exact value of an angle by this. So it is a statement is saying 4 by 5 multiple of which means multiple and right angle which means what 90 degree. So here 5 8 5 9 5 5 1 5 1 5 and 5 8 40 2 and then 70. So this is exact value of this angle. This is exact value of this angle. Now complement would be 90 minus 72, which is how much? 80. 70 and 10, 80 and 8 to 10, 90. This is correct answer. Okay. You can understand what 70, this is the value of a angle and this is value of secant angle. And when we will add together value sum of two angles, these are two angles, we will get what? 90, like 90, which means a complement, which means a right angle. Okay, next. Here, this is the value of first angle. This is value of first angle. So complement 90 minus 40 plus x. 90 minus 45 minus plus minus would be x. 45 minus x. 45 minus x. Now here we can check what complement is 90 or not. 45 plus x and then 45 x is how much? 90. How? Here x will get cancelled out at 45 will be 90. Yeah, LHS is equals to RHS. That's why this answer is correct. This answer is correct. So first value of first angle is 45 plus x and value of a second angle is 45 minus x. Did you understand? Now next, supplement. Question is find supplement. Find supplement angle. Okay. First question. Supplement angle. What is the supplement angle of this supplement, which will be complete after adding this angle? Supplement when supplement will be added with this angle, then we will get what 180, which means supplement. Okay. So supplement we will subtract 118 from 180. Then we will get how much? Here 2, then 6, 70 and 30. Yeah. Here we can see we have two angles. This is one, this is the second, and sum of these two angles is how much? 180. Which means supplement, which means a straight angle. Okay. Next, supplement. How much? 180 minus 100 plus x would be what? 180 minus, okay, then x. 80 minus x. Okay, 80 minus x. This is a value of a first angle, and this is a value of a second angle. We can check our answer. Just add value of two angles. Value of two angles would be how much? If value of this angle, sum of these angles is 180 degree. If LHS, value of LHS and value of RHS is equal, then we can say our answer is correct. Here x6 is getting cancelled. 180, 180. Both are same. Both are same. That's why this is a correct answer. Then this was about finding the complement angle, and this was about finding a supplement angle. Okay, now there are statements. There are statements. Statements I am going to write. We have two statements, and we have to find out what value of, we have to find out value of second angle. Okay, we have to find out value of second angle of each this statement. This is the value of first angle, and this is the value of first angle, and we are going to find out value of second angle of each this statement. Okay, so first question. Just understand, just read carefully. The first statement. First statement is the same. We have an angle which is what? 20 more. Then it's a complement. Complement, which means 90. To find out a complement, we do what? 90 minus x. To find out complement, we do what? 90 minus x. Okay, then we get a value of second angle. That's how we do to find out a complement angle. So 20 is more than its complement. First of all, complement, yeah. To find out complement, we add 90 minus x to find out complement. Now it is saying 20 plus 90 minus x. This is our statement. It is saying what? We have 20 minus 90 minus x. 20 which is more. 20 which is more. 20, which is more. Now we have a linear equation. Here you already know what is a linear equation. 90, 110, 110. Clear? Now 2x and 110, x 110 by 2, 55. Can we say value of a secant angle is how much? 55. How much? 55. X is 55. Okay, x is 55. (36) less than its supplement. So find out the supplement. We do what? 100 minus x. 100 minus x. No. So how much? 30 less. 30 less. 30 less. 30 what? Less than its supplement. Can we write 180 minus x minus 36 minus 36, and it is just what? Linear equation. Here we didn't find this is what value of a angle. This is what value of a angle. Value of this statement. So statement was saying this is exact value of this statement. Statement was saying 20 more than its complement, and we have this equation, and we just simplified to find out exact value of the angle. And now you can find out exact value of the secant angle, which will be what just we will do 90 minus 55, then we will get 35. This is a complement. This is a complement x. I am telling you, this is a secant angle. Okay, this is secant angle. So we have a statement, and we are going to simplify to our statement because so that we can get what exact value of our given statement. Exact value we are going to find out. We are going to find out by simplifying it. This is a statement, and we just converted this statement into equation, into linear equation. X, then x, okay, how much? 4, and then 7, 4, yeah, 2x, 44, but 1, 2 sevens and 2 to the 4. So meaning of this answer is what? Statement, this was in statement, and we have exact value. Meaning of this is what? We have exact value of this statement. Okay, so which is value of this statement is how much? 72. We can find out a value of secant angle of a supplement. So value of secant angle of supplement, then we will subtract how much? 72 from 180. Then we will have how much? 180. Just 80. So here you can also understand that this is value of first angle and this is value of second angle. But here 100 8. This is 108. This is 108. Okay. And even we can check is our answer correct or not. When we will add these two angles together, then we will have what 180 degree, which is a supplement. Which is supplement. Next. Complement. This is what we have, this statement. We have this statement. And the statement is saying complement is how much? 1/6, 1/6, and of is used for multiple. So 1/6 multiple and it's a supplement. Supplement 180 minus 6, 180 minus 6, and complement is what? 90 minus 6. Complement is what? 90 minus 6. Then we will get what we are identifying. We are identifying exact value of this statement. We are going to identify exact value of this statement because we don't have exact value and we have a given value of a angle in statement which is not exact. That's why first of all we need to identify what is the exact value of this statement. Okay, and this type of a statement can come as a question. So can you write complement? 1 second. You can solve it, and I told you complement 90 minus 6 and then is equal to is how much? 1/6 multiple 180 minus 6. Then we have linear equation. We will simplify it. Then we will have what? Then we will have exact value of this statement. Then we will be able to find out value of a second angle. Value of a second angle of a supplement and as well as of a complement. How? It is very easy. When we understand the statement, then it becomes very easy. Complement 90 minus 6. 90 minus 6 is how much? 1/6 multiple. It's a supplement. 180 minus x is in bracket. 90 minus x. Okay. 180 minus x upon 6. 9 6 are 50. 54 minus x. No, 6x. 180 minus x. This is linear equation. Here we will do what? Variable one side. 6 and then here 180 minus 540 minus 5x and then how much? 540 80 0 4 and then 5 1 4 3 0, but this is wrong. 0 6 and 3 360 minus will get cancelled out, and here we have x 360 upon 5 sevens are 35 and then 10 5 2s are 10. X is 72. So This is and this is the same. Difference is what? We have exact value. We have exact value of this statement, and this statement we converted into a linear equation, which is this. Just to be converted. Okay. Right. Now, complement angle of this would be 18. Complement angle 90 minus 72 would be how much? 18. Supplement angle would be how much? 180 minus 72. 100 minus 22. So tell me 18 and 10, 20, 28. 28, 108. 108. Did you understand? Did you understand? Now next question. This is a statement, and we are going to convert it into equation so that we can find out exact value by exact value of given this statement. How would you do? Just you need to do follow what first step is we just convert this statement into equation. Then we will be you will be able to solve to simplify it. First supplement which means 180 minus x, okay, is how much? 4 times times here. We are not looking dividing 4 part, so times 4 times, okay, multiple its complement, so 90 minus x. This is our equation of this statement, and just we did what we converted statement into equation. Now we have linear equation as you know. Okay, 9 4s are 36 and 180. Yeah, you know what would you do? You know, here we are looking, this will get cancelled out. Yeah, this will get cancelled out. Yeah, we did. What I did wrong? What? Here, this is in multiple. We have to multiply it first of all. 180 minus x, 180 minus x. 9 for the 36. Okay, then 4x. Now we are on the right way. Here minus x and then plus 4x. 360 minus 180. Our step is right now. 3x and then 0, 8, 1. Here 3 6 are 18. 3 6 are 18. 60. So this we have now, we have exact value now, okay, which is 60. Now complement of this angle. Complement would be how much? 90 minus 60, 30. Supplement would be 100 minus how much? 60. 120. This is how we simplified this, and this is how we simplified, we convert this we convert this statement into linear equation, and by knowing linear equation of this statement, we can have exact we can have exact value of this statement. Then we can calculate complement of this angle and supplement of this angle. Okay, it was very easy. Yeah, it was very, very easy. Now next question. I'm going to write next question. In the given figure, x is greater you can read this question. First of all, we have already a given figure by this question. Figure will make understand us easily what is the question saying, and figure gives us a clarity of question. Okay, this is figure, and figure we would have a figure, a given figure. Okay, a given figure. Now again we have a statement. First of all, we will simplify to our statement. I meant to say is that we will convert our statement into linear equation. Then we will calculate. We will simplify. Then we will have what exact value. Whatever is the question say, step by step, I will tell you. Yeah, in the given figure, x is greater. Here we can also see what x is. Yeah, it's true that x is greater than y. Can you say y is acute or not? Yeah, of course you can say, because here diagram is giving us a clarity that y is a acute and x is a obtuse, because x is a greater than y. Value of x is greater than y, and value of y is less than 90. That's why we are saying y is acute and x is obtuse. Okay. So x is greater than y. Okay. Here we are clear. By 1 by 3 of a right angle, find the value of x and y. Main point is to identify, to calculate, to find the exact value of x and value of y. How? First of all, let's convert this statement into equation. X is greater than y. Okay. By 1 by 3 multiple right angle, which means 98. We just converted our statement into equation. It is compulsory, as you know. Now we have already a equation. We already know what this is a linear pair. This line is making at 180 degree, and here we have also a point. What sum of this angle and sum of this angle. Sum of to this angle is how much? 180 degree. Yeah. So we have next equation. So sum of this angle and sum of this angle would be how much? 180 degree, and we can say this is a linear pair. And otherwise you can say PR is a line. PR is a straight line, which means PR is making at 180 angle, at 180 degree angle. Okay. Now let's solve it. Now we have a equation. You can simplify it. 3 3 is 9 and 30. X plus 1. So you can also write it x plus y, which is 30. Okay. Now we have two equation. And to find out exact value of x, exact value of y, then first of all we will put a variable, only one variable in LHS, and second variable we will subtract from given LHS. What do I mean? Hold on. X plus y. This is equation. Just we are finding here 30 minus y. Can you say that value of x is 30 minus y, which is not exact value of x. Okay, which is not exact value of it. By doing like that, we can put x value of x in equation where we will get exact value of y. You can see how. One second. This is the third equation, because it is a equation. This is not a linear pair. This is a quadric pair. This is not a linear pair equation. Now this. Just we are going to put a value of x in equation 2. So value of x is how much? 30 minus y. Okay. Then add y, whatever we have, and we will simplify it. Okay, 30 minus y. Yeah. We remove bracket. We just remove bracket. Then we have 2y, 180 minus 30. 180 minus 30. Here we did something wrong. This will be in subtract, because y is a less. That's why y is a less. I am thinking that how can I be wrong? So 30 minus y, and this is y. Okay, this is y. Okay, 180 minus 30. Here we have what? 180 minus, then we will have 25, y which is minus 25, y which is minus 25. Here x, then 180 minus y. This is the third equation. This is the third equation, and 180 minus y is a 30. Then minus 2y, and then I am getting how much? Okay, and here 180, 2y only, and here 150, then 100 y, and 2 sevens are, and 2 fives are. Y is 75. Just put value of y in equation third, then we will get 175. Then how much? 20. Then we will write 15. 15, not 15, 105. Okay, so we can say this is a 105 degree, and this is what? 75 degree. This is a 75 degree. This is how we will solve it. Now just have a look, then I will do next question. This is a given figure by this question, and question is saying sum of two angles is 110. But if you don't have exact value of this angle and exact value of this angle. Instead, it is saying that sum of two angles is 110, and find out angle ROS. ROS. Angle ROS. It will be very easy to you. How? First of all, we have a equation, you can say POR and angle QOS. Okay, which is 110. Now you can easily say that sum of this angle, sum of this angle, sum of this angle, sum of this angle, this angle, this angle will be how much? 180. So can you write angle POR, angle ROS, and angle SOQ is 180. Now P sum of this and sum of this, yeah, is how much? 110. So we can write this together so that it can become easy. POR, then angle SOQ, then angle ROS 180. Sum of these two angles is 110. Okay, and ROS is 180. Angle ROS is 180 minus 110. Then value of this angle is how much? 70 degree. So we can say value of this angle is 70 degree, and question was saying what? Find out value of this angle, and we did find. Okay, we did find. This is answer. That's it. This is what question was saying, to find out value of angle ROS. Now next. Next, we have already a figure. Figure is already given. Okay, don't worry. And as you know, figure gives us a clarity of question. This is a figure and this is question. Just understand, just read this question very carefully so that you can understand what is question saying. Okay, and there is a figure of this question so that we can have a clarity. What is it? Clarity of what is the question saying. And I can say what? This is very easy. Again, I am telling you, this is very easy. So let's solve it. First, it is given that already we have given. What? Already we have given. 1 second. Already it is given that angle POQ is how much? 70 degree. Okay. And the ray OB. This is OB. Is a bisector. OB is a bisector of angle AOQ. This is a bisector, which means if there is a ray, then ray of angle, then between this angle, these two angles, angle of this and angle of this, value of this two angles will be equal. will be equal. What is the meaning? What is the meaning of my words? I am saying, I am trying to tell you that value for this angle is let's say uh, 35 degree. Uh, value of this angle is 35 degree. 35 degree. So bisect is what is value of this angle would be how much? Same 35 degree. This is meaning of bisector ray. Bisector ray. So just we will divide value of angle or Q by 2. Then we will have value of this angle and value of this angle. Okay. So can you say sum of angle AOQ and angle QOP is how much? 180 degree. Of course we can say angle AOQ and add 1 second. Angle QOP is how much? 180 degree. This is first equation, and we have already given what angle value for angle QOP, which is how much? 70 degree. 180. Angle AOQ 180 minus 20 would be how much? 110. So you can see from here to till here is how much? 110 degree. This is obtuse angle because of it is a greater than 90 degree, and this is a acute angle because it is less than 90 degree. So here 110 degree, and question is saying find angle what is this? BOP and a reflexive AOB, not acute. This is acute. AOB, this is acute, but reflexive, this is reflexive. So we are going to find out value of this reflexive angle and value of this BOP. Okay. So already we have given this value of this angle, and we will add this value of this angle with value of this angle, but we don't know. Now we know that value of this would be how much? 55, and this is 55. Okay. So just we will add together value of this angle and value of this angle. So we are going to find out BOQ and then QOP. So BOP and the value of this is 55 and the value of this is 70 would be 120, 125, 125. Yes. So from here to till here, value of this angle, value of angle BOP is 125 degree. Now it's a time to find value of this reflexive angle. So we can easily say that angle AOB, which is reflexive, a reflex angle. Okay, reflex angle. We just need to do is that we already know what a full rotation of a point around a point is a 360 degree. But here we have already a given value of a angle which is acute, which is 55 degree. Just we will do what we will subtract a value of this angle from 360 degree. Then we will get what a value of this reflexive angle. So 360 and 55 degree. How much? 305 degree. Okay, 305 degree. And we can define reflexive angle by saying that it is what? It is angle whose angle is more than 100. Whose angle is more than 180 degree is the definition of reflexive angle. Reflex angle. I hope you got it where you understood better from this question, and here you can see what all we did. Okay. Now I would like to take next question. Now next question. This question is saying proof. Figure is like this. This is figure. This is figure, and we have to prove that AOB is a line. AOB is a line. We already know that AOB is a line, but we have to prove. So can we say what? Can we say that sum of this angle? Already we have given what value of this two angles is z plus y. This is already one equation. Okay. Now we can say what we already know. What if we write AOB is a sum of this angle, but this is what we have to identify. So instead of writing this, we will do what just sum of around angles of the point. Sum of around angles of a point, which is 360. So can we write 360 minus, okay, so sum of angles, okay, x plus y plus z plus w, which is 360. Now we will put a value of this. So value of this is how much? This z plus y is 360. Now we have simple. We are going to simplify it. Z 2z and w 2w and 360. 2 is common. So can we write z plus w is 360 by 2 180. So z plus w here. Z plus w, sum of this angle, this angle is how much? 100 degree. Yeah, here. So we proved. Now next what? Next we can do is just we have to put what? We have to put what? Like that. X plus y plus z plus w. This is 360. Now we will put a value of this, which is x plus. So x plus y and then x plus y, which is 360 already. You can simplify it. How? 2x plus 2y, which is 360 degree. X plus y 360 upon 2 which is 180. This is saying that sum of this is 180 degree, which is it is also saying that we have a straight angle, a 180 degree, which means straight angle, which is AOB, and we have done whatever here question was saying. Okay. I am going to write next question. I read this question. I am going to draw figure of this question. Now it's time to solve it by understanding tuition and by to this diagram. As you know, diagram figure of tuition gives us clarity to understand what is a tuition side. In figure, two straight lines, which is RS PQ. There are two straight lines, and each straight lines will have sum of angles. This is straight line is a sum of this angle, sum of this angle, sum of this angle, sum of this angle. PQ and RS intersect. PQ, RS intersect each other at O. Yeah, we are observing. If angle POT is 75 degree, okay. Find out the values of A, B, and C. We don't have exact value of C and exact value of this B. So question is just saying find out value of A, B, C. So what is a way to calculate? Just we already know PQ. What POQ is a straight angle, which also means what sum of PQ. Yeah. So can we write 4B plus 2C is 180 degree. Of course, this is one equation. Now next, ROS is a straight angle. So can we write angle of this sum of this angle is 180 degree. So So 5b plus 20 plus b is 180 degree. Clear? Here we can have a value of b. Value of b. Value of b. 5b and 180 minus 75. B 105 upon 5. 5 to the 10. 5 1 the 5. B is a 21. Okay, B is a 21. Now we can put the value of this value of B in equation number 1. In equation number 1. 4 multiple 21 and then angle 2C. 2C is 180 degree. 180 degree. 4 2C is 180 degree. 2C 180 degree minus 84. C how much? How much? What is that? Yeah. 96. 96 of course upon 2. 2 4 z and 2 8 is 16. 48. So value of B we know and value of C we know. Now it's a time to find out value of A. How can we find? How can we find? Here you can say by saying vertically opposite angles. So here 4B is a is a vertically opposite angle of this angle. So 4B, which means 4 multiple B is how much? 21. Would be 84. So sum of this value of this angle is 84. So value of this angle will be how much? 84 because of vertically opposite angles. Okay, vertically opposite angles. Now you can check as well what. So here we can first of all we can say value of A is 34 and B is 21 and C is 48. C is 48. Okay. This is our answer. Now it's the time to check that is our answer correct or not. 84 then 25. 80 20 150 150 159. Now B is how much? 159. Remember 159. B is how much? B is 21. So 150 20 120 20 and 9 and 1 10. 120 plus 10 180. Yeah, our answer is correct. Here 84 and 2C 48 multiple 2 of 48 40 40 80 90 96 96 and 84 96 and 84 120 and 10 180. Yeah, answer is correct. Answer is correct. I am going to write next question. Next question. This is figure, this is question. Just read this question and as well as understand this question, and you can understand this figure. What is a figure? What is this figure saying? Lines. We have two lines, which is xy and AMM. Both lines intersect at O. Okay, at O. If angle POY, where is the POY? POY is 90 degree. Yeah, this is a hint of 90 degree. Already we know. Okay. Ratio of AB is 2 ratio 3. So this is A and this is a B. Is what? This is A and this is B. Okay. So ratio which means don't exact value. Ratio which means least lowest number, and here we have lowest number of value of two angles. Okay. So here we don't have exact value of this angle and we don't have exact value of this angle. What is find? What is to find? What is to find? We have to find what? Value of A. Value of A. Value of A and B. Okay, and as well as value of X. So here, first of all, we have a X O Y, and by doing that we can have a value of X. Okay. Can we write X O Y, which is angle is a straight angle. So sum of this and sum of this is how much? 180. 2x plus 90 would be 90. And here you can imagine what if this is value of this is 90. So sum of these two angles would be 90. 180. Okay. 180. We have linear equation. 5x 180 minus 90 x 90 upon 5. 5 1 is 5, 4, 5 8 is 40. X which is 18. So we have a value of x, but we don't have. But still we don't have value of this angle, exact value. Just we need to do 3 multiple 18, 54. So we can say value of this angle is 54. Now 2x 2 multiple 18, 36. Value of this angle is 36, and even now you can check what value of this angle is right or not. How 50 30 80 and 4 6 10 90. Okay, yeah, as we were saying that sum of this and this would be 90, and here we have 90, sum of these two angles, 50 30 80 and 10 90. Now it's a time. Yeah, so we found what angle A is 54 and angle B is what 36. This is answer.